Hi, my dear children. Today we are going to learn about Unit 3 Matter Around Us. What is matter? Matter in its simplest form is called an elements. Matter is classified into two broad categories, namely first one substance, second one mixtures. The substance are further divided into two categories, elements and compound. Matter is its simplest form is called an elements. We are using many elements in our daily life. The common salt is consisting of element of sodium and chlorine. Water consists of hydrogen and oxygen. Magnesium and phosphorus used for making crackers. Sulfur is used as manure in agriculture. Gallium is used for making mobile phones and silicon is used for making computer chips. There are 118 known elements till dates. Out of these, 94 elements occur naturally. 24 elements are synthesized artificially in the lab. Classification of elements. We can classify the elements broadly into metals, non-metals and metalloids based on their chemical properties. Metals, we have tools, utensils and jewelry made from silver, copper, iron, gold, aluminium. Using pressure like hammering or rolling, we can deform these materials into various shapes. Such elements that are malleable is called metal. Metals are generally hard and shiny elements. Sodium is one of the exceptions as it's soft. All metals except mercury are solid at room temperature. Mercury is only metal that is liquid at room temperature. Metals are malleable, can be bent or beaten into sheet. They can be drawn into wires. They are good conductors of heat and electricity. Copper, lead, tin, nickel, iron, zinc, gold, magnesium and calcium are the example of metals. Non-metals. Non-metals are generally dull and soft. Diamond is shiny and also the hardest natural substance on the earth. Non-metal can be gases, solid, liquids. Non-metals such as oxygen, hydrogen and chlorine are gases at room temperature. Non-metals such as carbon, iodine, sulfur and phosphorus are solid at room temperature. Bromine is only non-metals that is the liquid at room temperature. Non-metals are poor conductor of heat and electricity. However, graphite is the good conductor of electricity. The difference between metal and non-metals. Metals are lustrous. They have a shiny surface. Non-metals are non-lustrous. They have non-shiny surface. Metals are generally hard. Non-metals are generally soft. Metals are bendable. Non-metals are non-bendable. Most metals can be bent, beaten into sheet and they can drawn into a wire. Non-metal are non-ductiles. Metals are good conductors of heat. Non-metals are bad conductor of heat. Most metals are making a ringing sound when struck. Hence, they are used to make objects like bulb. Non-metals does not make any sound when they struck.